Hello, hello. Hi, good evening po sa inyo lahat. We are live. We are live. Yes, yeah, we are live. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening po sa inyo lahat. Kung saan man po kayo nanonood na bahagi ng mundo. I'm here once again. It's me, David, and we are here at inside our house, Yokohama. And what time check? Time check po muna tayo. Time check is 10:25 ng gabi po. It's the evening here. I'm kind of doing this live again late because as you all know, a life of a parent is hindi natatapos. Being a parent means you need to do everything before you do yourself. Alam mo yun? So just to give you update, because I is working late today and Zoe is still sick. I'm really first of all, I really want to say thank you kay Baba Chan, kay Lola na nagbantay kay Zoe kasi si Zoe hindi siya pwede muna mag-daycare kasi she's still sick. Just to give you like an update now, she's getting better, but pinagbigyan po kami ng lola ni Zoe na bantayan siya kahapon habang kami ni Aya nagtatrabaho. So I just want to say thank you for that. Thank you sa pagbabantay kay Zoe, and yun, natulog na siya finally. Ako yung nagpatulog sa kanya kanina. Kailangan meron kang technique, eh, para matulog siya. Pagka nawawala ka ng konti kasi sa kanya parang hinahanap ka niya, eh. So, yun nakatulog din siya, and now I'm here. I'm ready to do the 4th day of my challenge. Wow, 4th day na pala. So, I'm really enjoying this right now. I'm really finding time to do it even though it's late kasi, um for the past, I think, almost 1 year, I've been sleeping. We have been sleeping like 10 or 11 because we want to actually sleep early to be able for us to have a good sleep early, and then for a better sleep. Kasi ako, I'm waking up really early for me to have a me time. So I want to sleep a little bit earlier, but this time I need to discuss a topic. So this topic actually is really good. It's one of my favorite value. And kaya rin ako nag-live ngayon dahil sa topic na to. Like, very important. Meron na yung for lahat ng mga all the people that I look up to. Um, if you're mapa-athlete ka man, mapa-actor ka man, the really successful people that I know in life, all are talking about this really important value. And what is this important value that we're saying? It's this consistency. I really like this word at first kasi at first, nung teenager ako, early adult, I don't have this. I really don't have this. Siguro in some things, but most of the things na na parang gusto kong ma-achieve dati is not hindi ko na-develop itong value na 'to, this consistency. Now that I'm getting older, you get wiser, you seek for more wisdom. Lahat ng mga lino-look up ko na tao, lahat ng mga successful na tao, lahat ng mga iniidolo ko na tao, they all have this one, consistency. It's really powerful word. So, our challenge for today is, challenge topic, day 4 of this, Go Run Success Challenge. Um, this is our question. Discuss the importance of consistency. So for me, um, one of the most important value that you need to have in order to become better at something, in order to become really good at something, in order to achieve your goal, you need to have consistency. Consistency. Like, very, very focused consistency. Like, that's one of the things that's really important. Because Ano ba ang consistency? Like, let's just try to define it first. What is consistency? Like, for me, according sa Webster dictionary, is consistency is doing the same thing over and over and over again. Diba? So we have to do something over and over and over again. It's the power of repetition. All of the people that are really good at something, mapa-athlete ka man, mapa-doctor ka man, mapa-lawyer, mapa um, as a successful na tao, you have this. You have to have this. Let's say you're athlete. Let's say you're a basketball athlete. You need to have the consistency to practice every day. You need to have the consistency to show up to the gym, di ba? If you are a doctor, hindi ka naman magiging doktor if you are not consistent in reading, if you are not consistent in learning, di ba? I'm not a doctor, but I'm a nurse, so I was consistent back then through reading, through reviewing, because I wanted to be a nurse. So, I mean, you need to develop this value in order for you to become better. You just have to keep on doing it in order for you to become better. Like, kung iisipin natin, di ba? Like, yung mga kids, kasi I have a daughter, 2-year-old. Bigla ko lang naalala, nag-flashback lang bigla. Si Zoe, when she was learning to walk, 'di ba? Ang mga bata naman pagka naglalakad sila ganun, tapos makikita mo sila, una niyan parang parang nagwa-waddle-waddle pa tapos malalaglag sila, 'di ba? Tapos they stumble. Hindi naman sasabihin ng mga bata na, nahulog ako, like, I'm not gonna do it. Walking is not for me. Hindi naman gano'n, 'di ba? Hindi naman tayo gano'n nung bata tayo. We fall down, we stand up. We try to walk, we fall down, we stand up, we try to walk. Now Zoe's running, Zoe's jogging. So alam mo 'yun, she's consistently trying to walk. And now she can walk, 'di ba? So kung kung ating ibe-break lang, let's say let's break it down to make it para mas lalo nating maintindihan kung ano ba ang consistency is, here are some other terms para magets natin kung ano ang meaning ng consistency. So, doing it regularly, that's consistency. What is doing it regularly? So, for example, if you want to learn for example, uh, let let's change it. Let's, for example, body. Me personally, when I arrived Japan, fell in love with the food. I fell in love with ramen. I fell in love with yakiniku. I fell in love with gyoza. I fell in love with soba. I fell in love with everything. Tumaba po ako. So hindi mo maiiwasan yun. And then at, at one point before, I was smoking cigarette. I quit when I arrived here. And one thing na nag-triggers ng nung nag-quit ako, I changed smoking into a chocolate. Ano, alam mo yun? Became really, really big. I became really, really, alam mo yun? So, I told myself, like, I need to exercise. I need to lose weight. So what I did is I developed the habit of exercising, doing it regularly. Hindi mo makukuha ang hindi ka naman papayat sa isang exercise lang. Hindi ka naman papayat kung mag-e-exercise ka ng sobrang tagal. Let's say mag-exercise ka ng 10 hours, it's not possible. You have to do it every single day, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, no matter how long. Hindi naman kailangan masyadong mahaba. Most important is you are consistent on a daily basis. 5 minutes, 10 minutes every day. If you compound it, just what I talked about yesterday, 365 days, gawin mo siya for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 10 minutes. Do the math. It's gonna be exponentially high at the end of 5 years, at the end of 10 years, diba? So doing it regularly. Next, keeping promises. Consistent. Let's say if you said I made a promise, like for example, now I'm trying to be consistent. I'm trying to practice this value. I made a promise to myself, this go run success challenge. I promised myself now, no matter what happened, I'll do it. No matter what happened, I'll try my best to find time for it. So I'm trying to develop consistency. Because our brain really just trying is really just trying to conserve energy. Sa totoo lang, ayaw niya mag-isip. Yung brain natin, they're finding ways for us to become autopilot. Like for example, let's say, ano ba magandang example? Let's say, bicycle. Bicycle. Let's say, parati ka nagbo-bicycle. Isang araw, gagaling ka na lang mag-bike. Yung handle, kahit hindi mo hawak, kumaandar ka pa rin because you were consistent. You have been doing it for a long time. Yung brain mo, yung muscle mo, nag-autopilot na siya. Sa sobrang matagal mo na siyang ginawa, hindi na siya kailangan nag-iisip. You're still rolling. Like for example, I'm gonna go back because I really do love this sport, basketball. So many times you shoot the ball, 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 you shoot the ball. Kahit nakapikit ka, you shoot the ball, papasok siya eh. Because you keep on doing it. And nagiging autopilot na siya. Ang maganda rin dito kasi if you're consistent, our brain reacts consistent also. Like for example, under pressure doon tayo magkakasubukan eh. Under pressure, doon medyo nararatel ang brain natin. But if you are consistent, let's say you are a speaker, araw-araw you're speaking just like what I'm trying to become. I'm trying to become a better speaker. That's why I'm doing this. So like let's say biglang may pumasok na sobrang daming tao, like you're used to speaking, you're used to talking, hindi ka na mararating, so it doesn't affect you anymore. So that's really good. Consistency is really, really good for us. Next, following a routine. What's a routine? Like to me, meron akong morning routine that I started almost mag 1.5 years na. I started waking up. Hindi pala almost mag 1 year na. I started waking up. I started waking up 4 a.m. because I want to do something. Like, kasi ako, now that I have a daughter, it's really hard to find time. So I just nag-isip lang ako like, what is the best way for me to be able to have my own time and to be able to do the things that I want to do na walang distraction. Ang pinaka nakita kong solusyon is waking up early. 4 a.m. ng umaga. I don't like waking up 4 a.m. I don't. I like sleeping longer pero nag-decide ako na 4 a.m. once I wake up, kasi before I go to work, I leave around 7. I leave around 7 to 7:10. So if I wake up 4 a.m., 4, 5, 6, I have 3 hours for myself. So what I do is I exercise, I practice gratitude, I practice meditation, I practice not holding my phone for the first 1 hour of the day. Ayun yung mga habits na gusto kong ma-achieve. I want to build this habit so that one day I will not be affected by it. Alam mo yun? So, ngayon, it's been a long time that I'm doing this na minsan I don't need an alarm clock anymore. Gumigising ako ng 4 a.m. So, because my body have already adjusted. And my routine every single day that I'm trying to do once I wake up, I'm trying my best to become grateful. Guys, this is one of my advice or one of my tips. If you guys are having a bad day, if you wake up, you're or bad trip ka, practice gratitude. Practice gratitude. It's a really game changer siya. If you already think like waking up alone is already a blessing. A lot of people don't have a gift of waking up. Tulog sila, hindi na sila nagigising. So for you to be able to wake up and open your eyes, put your feet on the ground, that's a blessing. If you are really grateful every single day, your day will be amazing throughout the day. I'm not perfect. I'm not saying this because nagmamagaling ako. I just wanna clarify this because it's just based on my experience. Uh, because before I found out this book is called The Magic. The Magic is all about being gratitude, being grateful. Sorry, I really just like these two words, consistency and gratitude. That's why I'm also sharing about what is gratitude. If you're grateful, if you start being grateful for the things that you have, your life will change. We'll talk about that next time. Let's go back to consistency. So yeah, that's my morning routine. 4 a.m. It's hard. Hindi ko siya gustong gawin, but now I'm used to it. Took me a lot of tries to do it. Alarm clock, alarm clock, alarm clock, alarm clock. Minsan nag-a-alarm ako 4 o'clock. Tapos 4:02, 4:03, just to develop. Kasi sa una lang naman talaga mahirap ang lahat eh. It's only in the first try. It's only in the first try kasi yung brain mo nag-a-adjust, lahat ng katawan mo nag-a-adjust. Pag na-incorporate na siya sa sistema mo, pag na-incorporate na siya sa inyong psyche, in your mind, everything is a lot easier. Next, reliable. Let's go. Let's go to the next question. Why is um why is consistency important? This is actually the question of the challenge. Let's go to the let's go to the topic. Why is consistency important? Unang-una, it builds trust. Kung yung tao na to consistent siya, let's say na nagsasabi ng totoo, tested and proven for a very long time, you will be, magtitiwala ka sa kanya. Kasi for a very long time, he's telling the truth. So, may trust value na. Diba? Like for example, let's go to material things. Pag sinabi mong Apple, kasi I'm really, like, isa sa mga company na naging lifestyle is Apple. Apple, once you associate Apple, pagka sinabi mong Apple, trusted siya na ano, mahal. Yeah. 'Di ba? Apple is really expensive because you trust that when you buy this device, you trust that it's gonna be durable. It's gonna be like it's Apple. It's Apple. It's really what do you call this? User friendly. Like it's very intuitive. Alam mo yun? It's Apple. So may trust na tayo kasi na-develop na nila yung habit of alam mo yun, giving the best for the customers, for the consumers. Di ba? So next, why is consistency important? It makes progress. Pagka consistent ka, matatrack mo yung kung saan ka nanggaling. Like for me, yung chapter 1 David to chapter, let's say, now David is really far away. Sobrang layo ng chapter 1 ng buhay ko sa chapter ngayon ng buhay ko. So, because of the progress of consistency na aking na-develop throughout the years. Pa yung gustong-gusto ko um, na nagagawa ng consistency. If you are consistent on something, you're gonna eventually develop momentum. You're gonna eventually develop a habit. A habit, yun na yung talaga ano na siya, automatic na it's within you. It's within you. You have the habit of being good, being kind. You have the habit of making things happen. So, alam mo yun, like you created the consistency. Now, it's a habit. Now, it's part of yourself. Next, it develops discipline. Yun ang pinaka isa sa mga importante rin na bagay na if you're consistent on something, you're gonna develop discipline. Like me, I'm still learning how to be disciplined, especially sa food. I love chocolates. I really love chocolates, but I'm trying to discipline myself to stay away from a little bit of sugar. Diba? Mga ganon. So, uh, small steps. It doesn't have to be like big. Kunyari, hindi na ako kakain ng, like for example, kung you're really fond of chocolates, like instead of eating the whole bar, try half bar. Tapos pag half bar, one fourth. Tapos konti-konti na lang at di mo siya hanapin. So, ayun lang yung mga tips ko. What else? Discipline, nabanggit ko na. And building momentum, nabanggit ko na rin siya. And the most important thing, if you have consistency, is no matter what happened, no matter na pagbali-balik rin mo naman, if you have a goal and you are consistent, it will all fall into place. If you have a goal of becoming better in speaking, speak every day, you're gonna get better. My goal is to become better at this. What I do is to elevate the business. That's why I'm developing the consistency of showing up. And I really believe, parang pageant lang. I really believe that one day I'm going to be successful. I'm already successful in my own ways right now, but if I really want to take the next step, I just need to consistently do this. Diba? So yeah, no, I really love this topic, consistency. I know I'm gonna discuss this again in the other topics and the other future live like this. I'm just really grateful that I'm now doing this. Na Papasalamat ako sa mga taong nanonood, sa mga taong makakanood, na I'm just trying to give value, to give my experiences or my learnings for somebody there to na makarinig man ito, na somebody there na parang maka-connect man ako sa kanila and ako yung maging spark to for a change. That's why I'm doing this. Somebody out there na matsambahan na mapanood tong live ko na parang ano tong ginagawa na tong lalaki nito, talking about consistency. And then alam mo yun, baka makapagturo ako ng bagay, ayun yung maging spark ng change niya, and I help him. So that's the goal of why am I doing this and why do I want to be consistent as well. Thank you. So yun po, no? I think nasabi ko na yung mga bagay na mga gusto kong sabihin. Consistency is really important. So if you wanna lose weight, um, if you wanna, di ba, pagka nanliligaw ka, di ba? Let's say relationship, you are consistently giving your own to your girlfriend or to your like to your crush. Alam mo yun, pag consistent ka na nanliligaw, at one point she would say yes. That's what I did with I. Di ba, B? Yeah. So yeah, I'm just I'm just now in the point where I want to be consistent about anything that I do. I want to create healthy habits that will move me closer to my goal. So yun, guys, consistency, it's a really, really, really powerful value. So yeah, thank you. I've been talking for 23 minutes. I hope that kung sino man po yung makakanood, salamat that I added value. I added kahit nuggets ng konti man lang what do you call this? Inspiration, konting teachings na makakatulong sa inyo. Like I really that's also one of the goals. So thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you again for my next Go Live challenge, which is tomorrow. This is only day 4, and I'm really loving it, and I'm enjoying it, and I'm gonna be developing the consistency of showing up this live. Kung hindi man live, post reels, but I'm gonna show up. So thank you for watching. It's me, David. I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good afternoon. I hope you have a good evening. And now I'm going to sleep. so that I can wake up and do exercise tomorrow. Consistent day. So thank you guys. Peace. Good night. Good morning. Good afternoon. Thank you, Paul.